In life, everyone is always in motion. All we think about is what next from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep. While this might be a good thing when you're working to achieve your life's goals, it can sometimes make you stressed out and anxious. Sometimes you need to take a moment and free your mind from the everyday grind. The best way to free your mind is with meditation. So in this video, you'll learn how to meditate and the benefits of meditation. Let's start with the basics. What is meditation? Meditation is defined as the practice of focusing one's mind through a chosen technique in order to achieve a clear mind and an emotionally calm state. When meditating, one focuses on the present moment without worrying about the past or the future, focusing solely on what's happening right now. The ultimate aim of any meditation exercise is to achieve a state of thoughtless awareness. It's important to note that meditation isn't meant to help you become a new or better person. Rather, it's about training your mind to become aware of the different ways you can look at life, giving you a healthier sense of perspective. How to meditate. Starting out, meditation is definitely going to be challenging. Reeling in your mind to achieve thoughtless awareness will take quite a bit of discipline and determination to achieve. However, since you're just starting out, there's no need to be a pro. The following are a few tips on how to meditate. Number 1. Find a peaceful environment. You should find a tranquil environment to meditate in. This is to prevent distractions from external stimuli, like people talking or coming in and out of the room. A tranquil environment doesn't necessarily mean one where there's absolute silence. In fact, the presence of ambient noise can sometimes aid in your meditation. But you don't want any noise that'll make it hard to relax, just those that can give rhythm to your meditation. Birds chirping or the babbling of a brook are good examples. Number 2. Dress comfortably. Comfortable clothing is another good idea for meditation. In the same way your physical environment can be distracting, tight, restrictive clothing might lead one's attention away from the activity and back into the stresses of everyday life. Number 3. Get the right posture. Meditation can be done sitting on a chair or sitting on the ground. It's important to ensure that you're sitting in an upright position with your spine straight. Meditation works to connect the body and mind, so slouching may result in the drifting of the mind. It's also not very good for your health. If your body is well balanced, your mind will be too. You can use the following postures when meditating. Sit on a cushion with your legs either crossed or uncrossed, depending on how comfortable you are. Sit on a straight back chair with your spine aligned with the back of the chair. Here, your legs can be either crossed or uncrossed, though the latter is likely more comfortable. Place a mat on the ground and sit on it with your legs crossed, your hands on your lap facing upwards, and your spine straight. Number 4. Your eyes. The choice to keep your eyes open or closed depends on how easily you get distracted. When beginning, it's a lot easier to meditate with your eyes closed. This reduces any visual distractions one might experience. As time goes by, try meditating with your eyes open. Be sure to keep them soft by not concentrating on anything in your environment. Sometimes, closing your eyes might lead you to drifting through your thoughts. Play around with having your eyes open and closed. Ultimately, this is going to come down to what you're most comfortable doing. Number 5. Focus. Focus is key when meditating. The choice of what to focus on depends on the type of meditation you choose. There are 2 main types of meditation. A. Concentration meditation. Here, the meditator focuses on a single point. This could be through following the rhythm of the breath, repeating a mantra or any single word, staring at a candle flame, or listening to a repetitive song or beat. When doing this type of meditation, one should hone in all their senses on this single point. For example, your breath. When meditating this way, whenever you feel your thoughts wandering, bring them back to concentrating on that point. Try to let go of the random thoughts going through your mind and stay with your focus. Ultimately, this type of meditation helps you to concentrate. B. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation, unlike focused meditation, has the meditator observing the random thoughts going through his or her mind. The aim is not to get involved with the thoughts, but rather to be aware of them. In this type of meditation, you're able to study the patterns and motions of your thoughts. This aids in teaching you when you're most likely to judge an experience as good or bad, ultimately developing a balance. Meditation helps you become aware of your everyday activities. You don't go through the motions of life on autopilot, but instead have a center of awareness for your tasks. Number 6. Determine the length of the meditation beforehand. As a beginner, start your meditation with lengths of between 2 to 10 minutes. Any longer than that may be ineffective since your mind is more likely to drift away. After a while, you may increase the length of your meditation depending on how easily you can control your thoughts. Number 7. Enjoy the meditation. Don't turn meditation into a chore. It should be something that you genuinely enjoy doing. Smile as you do it, and allow yourself to love it every day. The benefits of meditation. A. Meditation improves concentration. The whole activity of meditation is aimed to enable one to focus. As mentioned before, there are two main types of meditation, one where you focus on a single point, and the other where you observe your thoughts. This practice aids one in concentrating on everyday activities away from meditation. B. It reduces stress and anxiety. Most people first try out meditation in an attempt to reduce stress. Mindfulness meditation reduces the level of different stress-related hormones and ultimately reduces the inflammation response caused by stress. Research has shown that meditation also reduces stress-related conditions such as fibromyalgia, irritable bowel syndrome, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Less stress results in less anxiety. C. It encourages a healthy lifestyle. Meditation gives us control of our minds. When we can control the mind, we're less likely to give in to our whims, such as our reluctance to work out or unhealthy eating. It's much easier to better yourself when you aren't constantly giving in to your own mind. D. Meditation helps fight addiction. The mental discipline achieved through meditation may enable one to break dependencies through strengthening self-control and making one aware of the possible triggers for the addictive behavior. This aids one to control cravings by redirecting your attention to your newly strengthened willpower. In this way, you can fight any addictions you might be facing. E. Promotes emotional health. Some forms of meditation lead to a positive outlook on life and an improved self-image. Studies have shown that meditation reduces depression and other negative emotions. This is through the gradual cleansing of one's negative emotional hotspots in the brain. The result is emotional wellness, which leads to happiness. Meditation is an activity that everyone should be practicing. The goal is to discipline your mind, something that results in quite a number of benefits. Focusing the mind can be done through concentration or mindfulness meditation, each of which uses different techniques to achieve a thoughtless awareness. The benefits associated with meditation include reduced stress and anxiety, improved concentration, a healthier lifestyle, willpower to fight addictions, improved emotional wellness, and happiness, among other things. If you're thinking of starting the habit, find a tranquil place, sit down comfortably and in a good posture, and then start focusing. Meditate your way to a better you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.